Okay. Now there is something called as a shallow copy. Okay. Where is that? Yeah. So this was my dictionary. Let me copy it again so that it's visible to you. So this is my dictionary. Let me try to change value here and then shallow copy. Mm, it's not complete. Here I was trying to change it, but okay, let's. Now let me try to print student again. Hmm. So I took an dictionary and then what I did is I created a copy of this. Okay. Copy means what? Just a copy. I assigned this value to this value. So whatever the value was here, right? It got assigned to this student underscore copy variable. That's it, right? And then what I did, I printed this student. Okay. I printed what? I printed this. So I got this output. Okay. And then what I did, in the copy variable I try to change name key value. So I gave a name as Vikas. Okay. And then I printed student copy and then I printed student, which was original student dictionary. Here I'm printing a copy. Made a change in copy. Okay. So when I made a change in copy, see, I'm changing a copy, right? I didn't changed in the original dictionary, but when I try to print the original student dictionary, it is showing me change in the original dictionary as well. So this is called as a shallow copy. Shallow copy means you can say the copy is not deep inside. So there is something called as a deep copy also. So shallow copy means from the surface itself it is just copying it. Because it's copying it from surface itself, it's not very deep. Even though I'm changing in the copy dictionary, the changes are reflecting in the student dictionary as well, or you can say the original dictionary as well. So here I think also I tried similar thing. So this is also similar approach. So there is another way to do a copy, which is called as a, let me see, a shallow copy. So this is also a way to do a shallow copy. Student copy one, then student dot copy, shallow copy, and then I can print values. This is copy one and this is student. Now what I'm trying to do is I'm taking a name as, let's say, HYM. Okay, so in the original I'm trying to change. Okay, original I'm trying to change. This is my original, right? Student dot, and I have copied the value. Wait a minute, let me copy this, then I think you will understand. You have to see both of them together. Okay, so this is my student dictionary. What I'm trying to do is I use a function which is called as which is doing a shallow copy. Student.copy is returning what? It's returning these values to this one. And now what I'm doing is I'm changing the original list or original dictionary. So name from in the original I'm taking as Sham. So print the student copy and print this. Let me run this first and let me run this. Yeah. So when I did a shallow copy, the shallow image or the shallow values of these got returned into the copy variable. So both the values are same. So here I'm changing in the original dictionary. So I'm changing in the original dictionary. So if I change in original dictionary, will my copy is changing? Originally I had name as couple. So originally I had name as couple. So see, original when I printed copy, right? So let me try to, you might print like this. This is my original. So now you will get a name also whenever I'm printing. Okay. So this is student copy one. Okay. So the student copy one has original values, which was here. I change in what? Here the copy operation was completed, right? At this stage, I created a copy and stored it in this variable, and then I change the value in my original dictionary. But when I change in my original dictionary, I was not getting that change in my copy dictionary. See, my original got changed, but my copy did not got changed. Let me see. If I add a space here, I think it will. Yeah. So one on the above. So copy did not had the changes of the original list, but original list got changed. Okay. So you can do. There are ways to do a deep copy as well. Okay, but that's not, I think, necessary as of now. Let me see if I have an example. Yeah, not required. Okay, so the next section is how can I iterate over, or I how can I run for loop on the dictionaries. So the one way is, you remember the keys function to get the keys. So keys function will return the keys. Will return the keys from where? Will return the keys. Where is my student dictionary? From here. What do I mean by return the keys? Name is key, age is key, and grade is key, right? These couple 32 and this is a variable, right? So keys return means in the first iteration, what will happen? ITR first. Student dot keys will return what? Student dot keys will return what? Will return a key. Will return key as an what? Name. So name key will be returned. Okay. In the next iteration, which is iteration 2, what will get returned? Age will get returned, right? In the next iteration, what will get returned? Grade will get returned, right? So you see, name, age, and grade. So now if I want value also, so I can use value function. So what this for loop will do, it will return values. Let me try to run this. So in the first iteration, it will return couple, and then it will return 32, and then it will return A as an grade.
Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed our session at LWP Labs. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel and contact the number for live classes. The future is now with AI.